Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to bring your timelines to life with smooth animations in Canva. Click the Create button, then enter Timeline as the project name. After you've created the timeline, we'll use this timeline presentation for the following steps in the process. In the search bar, type Animated History and press Enter. Browse the available results, then select the template you want to use. Click on your chosen template to open it. This will load the animated history template into your project workspace, allowing you to start customizing it for your presentation. Use the editing tools to modify text, images, and animations as needed for your content. For example, let's look at this project titled Journey of Human History to see how the process works. After selecting the template, you can edit it as needed. To add a transition between pages, click on the page you want to transition from. Then, click the Add Transition button. A list of transitions will appear. Select any transition style you prefer to apply it. The chosen transition will now play between these pages. Repeat this process for other pages to create smooth transitions throughout your project. To use the flow transition, select your slide and choose flow from the transition options. You can also change the direction of the flow effect for a different visual style. Apply the same transition to other slides if desired, or select a different transition type for variety. Experiment with multiple transition effects to create a dynamic presentation. To apply the same setting to all slides, click Apply to all pages. This quickly ensures every slide matches if you're in a hurry. If you want different settings or positions for each slide, adjust each one individually instead of using the Apply to all option. Simply select a slide, make your desired changes, then move to the next slide and repeat the process. Use Apply to all pages for consistency, or customize slides one by one for variation. You can increase or decrease the duration as needed by adjusting the position of the slider. Make your changes until you achieve the desired timing. After you're satisfied with the duration, apply your settings to update the effect. The changes will take effect immediately. To view your presentation, press Ctrl plus Alt plus P on your keyboard. This will play the current session, allowing you to review your slides. Watch the presentation to ensure everything looks correct and all content is displaying as expected. You can also add new elements or make adjustments as needed during playback. Reviewing your session in this way helps you confirm the setup before sharing or presenting to an audience. To view the animation on the text, first select the text, then locate and preview the animation effect to see how it will look in your presentation. Once you're satisfied with your project, click the Share button. Select Download to choose your export format. You can download your work as a PowerPoint file, an MP4 video, or a GIF. Pick the format that best fits your needs, then proceed with the download. Now you know how to make animated history timelines in Canva. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.